Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add PayPal or Venmo to your Xbox One account so you can buy things through the Microsoft Store on your Xbox One. So just on the home screen here, let's go up to top and go to Settings, then go down to Account, and go to Right, and go to Payment and Billing right here. Type in your PIN if you got one. Then we have two options. We have Order History, which will allow us to see everything we have ever bought on the Xbox. Or we can go to Payment Options right here. Now I have nothing on file because I don't have a credit card on here anymore. I just deleted it because it expired. But we can go to Add a New Payment Method. And we have the option for credit card or debit card. Or we can go to e-wallet, which is PayPal or Venmo. So we can select this and then choose PayPal or Venmo. Now this says scan the QR code below using your phone's camera or QR code reader app. So if you're signed in with Venmo or PayPal and you scan this code, well, your Xbox One is going to automatically sign into your account, and that is how you can link it right here so you can buy things on the store. Now it says don't have another device. Use the Microsoft Edge browser to sign in right here in the bottom right. So if you got PayPal, go to this section right here, and you should be able to sign in just with your email address and your password as well. But your phone is probably going to be a lot easier. So now we can type in the email address right here and then go to next, and we can just sign in like normal. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.